Hi, Nicola. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Wow, you're going to fly over Grand Canyon.
You have a ticket?
Yes, I do. Right here.
All right, guys.
Thank you. Colorado River? Where are you? Where are you going now? Tell me. Huh?
I'm going on a boat.
On a boat, but where? Where are you going? What is this? What is this river called?
I don't know.
It's called Colorado River.
Well, why did we stop?
Sunny and
That's like 42 more than you are.
beautiful to take pictures. Love it. Pretty cool.
Well, everybody, welcome to the Grand Canyon West. That right there in front of us is Quartermaster Point. That's one of 3 points that they have here at the canyon. The other 2 points are Eagle Point, which is where the skywalk is, and Guano Point, which is where they used to mine the fat dropping, otherwise known as mascara and fertilizer. Fat dropping. You know, my very first trip that I actually did out here, it's funny, I told somebody that, you know, because they said fertilizer and juice and mascara and they wasn't like a juice. And the very first thing that I heard in the video, I was like, oh, that makes sense. The canyon actually was formed 20 billion years ago. Yeah, the canyon was formed over 2 billion years ago, and it started by 10,000.
Okay, we're still floating on Colorado River. There's a helicopter. Woo! It's going really slow now. It's really soothing. The colors are just amazing.
Oh, I work for Dearborn National. My past specific here.
I'll do this job any day.
Wow.
This is a little different.
Just a little. I did provider outreach when I was there, so I was in the doctor's office. Walked inside looking at a cubicle. I'll take this view.
This is just beautiful.
Bless you.
Nicole, what do you think?
So where do you live to work there?
I live in Kingman, which is 80 miles away.
How would you go? You can drive that, I mean, it's only about the same.
Well, you can take the 68, like if you're coming from Vegas, you take the 68.
So we're going to take a helicopter now back up, and then we're going to have some lunch with the Indians.
Well, they shuttle us on a bus. So I get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to get to the bus, and I get on the bus. But it's not home stuff to do.
Let me see you. Where are you? Oh, we're going down this way now. We're turning around now. Watch. There's a wave. Whee! Whoa! That was cool. Whoa! That's a small wave.
Why you not the big wave like that?
Yeah, but you know how to swim, so that's a small wave. It can't do nothing to you.
Alright, everybody, please remain seated until we are completely tied down, because there will be a slight snowpack.